Bhutan is a country where more than 60% of the population practice agriculture, but it doesn't mean it's an easy job. Once the crops are harvested, the next question is how and where to sell them. The problems that we have identified are the lack of designated platform to advertise farm products and the uncertainty of the marketplace. In order to solve those problems, the aim of the project is to develop an online platform for the promotion and marketing of the farm products. And to achieve our aim, these are the several objectives of the project. For the successful completion of the project, we followed this methodology. Firstly, we identified the problems, and then after completely understanding the problem statement, a thorough literature review was conducted. During the literature review, all the requirements such as functional, technical and other requirements were finalized. Next is the design. Based on the feasibility research and data collected, database design, system architecture design and the UI or the prototyping design were developed. And then in the development phase, the prototype was then turned into a programming codes which were then turned into a working product. Finally, both the front-end and the back-end tasks were completed and then integrated to finalize the development. After the completion of the development of the application, a set of tests were performed on the product to determine its level of responsiveness. After testing, the finished task was then published. Here the documentation is carried from the beginning of the project till the end to keep compiling all the completed tasks. Now let me explain on the database model. Here the referencing is represented by a green color text which is same as the foreign key in the relational database. The vehicle owner will list or add the vehicle, and in the vehicle model, an attribute called a vehicle owner will refer to the person who has listed or registered the vehicle. Similarly, the farmer will post his or her agricultural products, and the product module will contain an attribute called a farmer that will refer to the farmer who has uploaded that particular product. And the customer or the users will place an order, and the attribute called a customer will refer to the user who placed the order in the order module, while the date attribute will refer to the product module to receive the product information. So be it farmers or the customer, both will be able to hire a vehicle. A customer attribute in the vehicle hire module will refer to the customer or a farmer who sends a vehicle hire request. A vehicle attribute will refer to the vehicle module, and the extra information to be provided are the destination and the departure date. Since all the vehicle hire requests cannot be approved by the vehicle owner, so only the accepted vehicle hire request will be stored in the accepted hire module, with the date attribute referring to the vehicle hire request module. And if the vehicle owner is not able to accept the hire request, the person who made the request will receive the notification or the message. There are three types of users in our application: farmer, vehicle owner and the customer. For the farmer users, they will have the options to log in, to register, upload the farm products, edit the uploaded farm products, hire vehicle, and confirm payment for products. Similarly, vehicle owner will be able to log in, register, list the vehicle for hire, edit the listed vehicles, view hire request, and then confirm the payment. Customer will get the option to log in, register, buy products, hire vehicle, and then make payment for the products. We have also included Dzongkha language as secondary language for the application. So lastly, these are the overview of our application.